Hi guys, welcome. It's Louis at Defending Elvis, part of the Elvis Inner Circle. So today we are going to be standing up for Donna Presley and Ginger Alden. I am fed up of these people spreading lies about Ginger Alden and Donna Presley. Any excuse to trash them so that they can side against them, using the Smiths as their excuse. Yes, they use the Smiths as their excuse to discredit Donna Presley and Ginger Alden. I'm not accepting it. We are going to expose these channels. The two today we're exposing is Elvis A to Z, who have trashed Donna Presley and Ginger for hours, and EP Vault. Both of them fake Elvis channels, both of them fake Elvis fans, and I'm standing up for Donna Presley and Ginger Alden. Thanks guys.